lights are on. As soon as we shut down those red lights, they go racing. Here we go. Marvin Mangulabnan is going to stretch. Marvin Mangulabnan is back on the drawing board over here. Let's see how he's going to reply.
Kasi talagang yun ang gusto niya yung motor eh. So yun doon simula yung karera niya.
Siyempre, practice makes perfect.
As we are about to make way for 10 laps of this race final. It's a pre-final. Now Marvin Mangulabnan is much closer, setting the bar at 134.7. Marvin Mangulabnan with Mangulabnan is much closer to DJ Alberto's tail. This out, Marvin Mangulabnan just clocking the fastest lap. There goes Motul Revo Racing Projects, MM189. MM189, but the switchback by Marvin Mangulabnan gives him the #1 spot over here. MM189 on an Aprilia, pulling away. What a surprise attack by Marvin Mangulabnan.
Number 189, Marvin Mangulabnan!
Hi to everyone, I'm Marvin Mangulabnan. Matagal ko itong pinag-isipan from the entire of my career. Actually, sobrang hirap para sa akin as a racer that this is my retirement video. So it's very hard for me. So sorry, medyo maging dramatic or what. Just I want you to be gusto ko lang makita niyo yung very normal. So wait. Actually, sinasabi ko nga kay Aisto, naiyak na ako nun. This 2025 will be my last race of the year, and it's very hard for me na bibitawan ko na yung racing career ko. But, teka lang. Yan. Una, I need to focus on different things. Sa shop, sa anak ko. I need to listen to my body. Siyempre, hindi na rin ako bata. I'm already 35 years old. But, I know I'm very competitive. I know I can win. It's just that hindi lang tumutugma yung mga scenario. So, yeah. But still, sobrang thankful ako sa lahat ng sponsors ko from the very first time na nag-start ako mag-race. Especially to my dad. Kung wala ako dito sa racing. And, hindi ko na-expect na aabot ako sa Superbike racing and to be a 4-time Philippine Superbike champion. I was not expecting that. And siguro, I think it's more than just being a champion, but yung magkaroon ka ng fans, sa mga sponsors, mga sumusuporta sa'yo. Sobrang daming sacrifices, especially this year. This year will be my toughest race sa lahat. So, training, business, practice, yung sacrifices ko ng buong team. So, wala akong masabi. Ako hindi ko alam kung paano ko hinati yung sarili ko to be a very competitive, especially on a top level of racing here sa Superbike here in Philippines. Sa race, sobrang dami ko natutunan. Hindi lang siya about racing. In life, in your mind, respect, mga people na nakapaligid sa akin, mga fans, mga co-racers natin, and sa mga rivals ko, kundi dahil sa inyo, hindi ako magpupush. So, una, gusto kong pasalamatan yung family ko. Siyempre, yung daddy and mommy ko. Lahat ng sponsors ko from my entire career, from the very first start up to this year. Siyempre sa crew ko, sa buong crew ko, thank you for your dedication. Siyempre to my girlfriend, thank you for helping me. Ice, thank you for sa lahat ng tinulong mo sa akin. Sponsors, paggawa ng mga riders profile ko, pag-contact ng ultimo si Massimo na gawin mo ng way para magkaroon ng connection. And syempre to all of my fans, thank you. Thank you sa walang sawang support. And this is not a goodbye. Looking lahat sa inyo on my next chapter. I will still be on the track from the very start to the last race of the season. This is one hell of a ride. It's very hard for me. It's very hard to decide. But yeah, yes, my decision is final, and see you on the track. Say bye-bye. Thumbs up. Okay.